Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page border in MS Word document. So first of all, open MS Word. Now open your document. Now click on Design. Here is the option Page Border. So just click on it. Now anyhow you can select border style like line, double line, triple line, and here is the some other option like if you want to shadow, so just select it, 3D, and you can change the width of border. Here is the some different type border, select as your requirement, and after all the customize, just click on OK. So that's it. By this easy and simple setting, you can insert page border in MS Word document. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.